So if you want to vanquish anxiety and you want to overcome overthinking and you want to improve the quality of your output, here's a couple of tips that I'd like to offer to you to help. The first tip I would like to offer to you is map out your week on a Sunday. Instead of waiting till you get to work on a Monday to map out your work, or indeed reinventing the wheel 7 times a week, lay out a game plan for your week. It doesn't have to be incredibly detailed. In fact, I would recommend that you make it borderline easy. Make it so that you can achieve your tasks with the least amount of cognitive overload. Keep it bare, keep it to a minimum, and indeed try to make it enjoyable. Which brings me on to tip number 2. Tip number 2 for better quality of output and reduced anxiety is to do a little bit of your plan each day. I'm not talking about grazing, taking a little sip and moving on. Some days you may put in more effort than others, but don't aim for perfectionism, because perfectionism is like a veiled form of self-sabotage. If you try to aim for perfectionism, you're going to get nothing done, because nobody is perfect ever. So, having mapped out your week on a Sunday, tip number 2 is do some of the work each day. Allow yourself the opportunity to feel the dopamine hit of getting a result. Don't surrender yourself to fatalism. And don't roll over and play dead. Pick yourself up and do a little bit of your plan each day, just like you mapped it out. Finally, one of the greatest breakthroughs I've ever achieved as an educator or a coach is to encourage the people I work with, the adults I work with, to take ownership. So with that in mind, I'd just like to recap the 2 tips. Map out your week and do a bit each day. But now for the crunch. Make it yours. Make the plan suit your style, your personality, your levels, academic or emotional, and make it so that you feel that you are in control and owning the plan that you've set out. Be realistic. Own it. Own it. And for the 3rd time, own it. So thank you for listening and watching thus far. I'd like to leave you with one final thought, if I may, fellow seeker. Whatever it is that you dare to do or dream, begin it now.